Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve k power 12 minus 1 is equals to 0 and we have to find the value of k. So let's start with today's video solution. So this k power 12 I can write it as k power 6 whole power 2 minus this 1 as 1 square is equals to 0. Now I'm going to use an identity that is a square minus b square, which is equals to a plus b times a minus b. So it becomes k power 6 plus 1 and k power 6 minus 1 is equals to 0. So it will give us two cases, k power 6 plus 1 is equals to 0 and k power 6 minus 1 is equals to 0. So first, case first, when k power 6 minus 1 is equals to 0. So this k power 6, I can write it as k power 3 whole power 2 minus this 1 as 1 square is equals to 0. Again, I'm using this identity a square minus b square. So we can write this as k cube plus 1 times k cube minus 1 is equals to 0. So from here, k cube plus 1 is equals to 0 and k cube minus 1 is equals to 0. Now k cube plus 1 is equals to 0. We can write it as k cube plus 1 cube is equals to 0. Now I'm going to use identity that is a cube plus b cube, which is equals to a plus b times a square minus ab plus b square. So k plus 1 times k square minus k plus 1 is equals to 0. Now k plus 1 is equals to 0. So k is equals to negative 1. Now second value, a square minus k square minus k plus 1 is equals to 0. From here, I am using quadratic formula, that is k is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a, where a is coefficient of k square, b is coefficient of k, and c is the constant. So k is equals to minus 1 plus minus under root minus 1 square minus 4 times 1 times 1 by 2 times 1. That is 1 plus minus under root 1 minus 4 by 2. So k is equals to 1 plus minus negative 3 square root by 2 and negative root k is equals to 1 plus minus, we can write it as 3 times square root negative 1 by 2, and square root of negative 1 is equals to iota. So k is 1 plus minus square root of 3 iota by 2. Now we are taking this second value, that is k cube minus 1. We solved it already, k cube plus 1. So k cube minus 1 is equals to 0. Again, I'm using identity, that is a cube minus b cube, which is equals to a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. So k minus 1 times k square plus k plus 1 is equals to 0. So k is 1. And this k square plus k plus 1 is equals to 0. I'm using quadratic formula again. K is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a, where a is coefficient of k square, b is coefficient of k, and c is the constant. So k is equals to minus 1 plus minus under root 1 square minus 4 times 1 times 1 by 2 times 1. So k is equals to minus 1 plus minus under root minus 3 by 2. So k is equals to minus 1 plus minus under root 3 iota by 2. So we have solved case 1. From beginning, if I'm talking about, we take it k power 6 minus 2 1 square. So from here, two values come. K power 6 plus 1 is equals to 0 and k power 6 minus 1. So we have solved to k power 6 minus 1 is equals to 0. From here, the 6 values of k are, first is minus 1, second is 1, third and fourth is, first is 1, third is 1 plus square root of 3 iota by 2, and fourth is 1 minus square root of 3 iota by 2, and the fifth value is minus 1 plus square root of 3 iota by 2, and sixth value is minus 1 minus square root of 3 iota by 2. Now came to case 2, which is k power 6 plus 1 is equals to 0. K power 6 plus 1 is equals to 0. So we'll write it as k square whole cube plus 1 cube is equals to 0. Again, I'm using identity, that is a cube plus b cube, which is equals to a plus b times a square minus ab plus b square. So it becomes k square plus 1 times k power 4 minus k square plus 1 is equals to 0. So this k square plus 1 is equals to 0. So k square is equals to negative 1, or k is equals to plus minus square root of negative 1, which is equals to plus minus iota. Now this k power 4 minus k square plus 1 is equals to 0. This k power 4, I can write it as k square whole square minus k square plus 1 is equals to 0. So let k square is equals to x. So it becomes x square minus x plus 1 is equals to 0. Now I'm using quadratic formula. So x is equals to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So x is equals to minus minus 1 plus minus under root minus 1 square minus 4 times 1 times 1 by 2 times 1. So x is equals to 1 plus minus under root 1 minus 4 by 2. So x is equals to 1 plus minus square root of negative 3 by 2. X is equals to 1 plus minus square root 3 iota by 2. This is the value of x, and now we know that x is equals to k square. So k square is equals to x. So k is equals to square root of x. So we have the value of k. K is equals to square root of x. So k is equals to plus minus square root 1 plus minus under root 3 iota by 2. So from these case, 6 values are, these are the 2 values, these are 2 values, 4, and these are 2 values. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.